Getting our mushroom compost delivered so we can start planting up our plants. Ooh, a little hot. Now that the soil's been delivered, we're gonna start planting our potatoes. We're gonna show you the mix we're gonna use. We have a lot of new subscribers, so we're going to go over this a few times. We're going to start with the bottom layer of topsoil. And then we're gonna have, since these are 10 gallons, we're gonna use 5 gallons of mushroom compost. And 5 gallons of wood chips. Alright, now we're ready to start planting. We're going to be planting our blue gold. 2 pounds gave us 11 medium-sized to small potatoes. We'll stagger them in the bag. Start out with some mushroom compost. Plant this one upright. Cover it up. Get a little layer of wood chips. Plant another one on the right side of it. Cover that one up. Another medium one on the left side. Cover that one up. Plant one closest to me. Cover that one up. Plant the small one right in the center. Dump the rest of the compost. wood chips. And we'll plant up the other bag. Thank you for making it till the end.